Hey guys, it's Rachel with the Certified Funnel Builder, and today we're going to be talking about adding products into your funnels and ClickFunnels and just the classic ClickFunnels. This is going to be a super short video. It's super easy, so let's hop right into it, guys. I'm just going to jump into this like template funnel real quick. I already actually have added a couple products into it, so I'm just going to like re-add them and go through it with you guys on how you would do that. So one thing is you need to make sure that whatever page you're going to need the products on is an order form page. Otherwise, like if it's an opt-in page or a thank you page or whatever kind of page, it won't have, I'll show you, it won't have products. So like if you look at this opt-in page right here, you don't see anywhere where it says products, and that's because it's not a order form and you can't have products on that page. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to have your order form page up, and you're going to come over here and you're going to go to products. And right now I have a product and an order bump. So I'm just going to like redo these real quick and show you guys how it works. So all right, so you're just going to click start to add a new product, and then you need to make sure you have a payment integration. So like I just have Stripe integrated right here. So I'll click this, and then you get to choose, is it a subscription payment plan, one time, and we're doing a one time. So that's all you have to do is just make sure that's at one time, and then just click save and next. Now right here is where you're going to put the product name in. So this is what it will display on the order form. And then here is where you're going to put the price. And then you can like put a price here. Like if you want it to say, like if it were for a subscription product and you wanted to say like free 14-day trial or $25 per month, something like that, you can write it in here and that's what that will do. But you don't have to do that. So far we have just added Stripe, put the product name, the product price, and the only other thing you have to do to make this work is you need to add a billing description so that your customers know what they're paying for. And assuming this is an online product, if it is a physical product, you will need to put in a shipping address. But that's the only other thing you'll need to do. So I'm just going to put VIP for this billing description so they know what they're paying for. And that's it, guys. You can be done there. I'm going to go through a couple other things you can do with your product, but that's all you have to do. So if you are just selling an online book and that's it, you just need to go put the title, the price, hook it up with Stripe, and that's it. But if you were selling like a t-shirt and you want to add different like colors or sizes, you can come in here and create product variations. You can also hook it up with email sequences right here. And then you can do a bunch of other follow-up actions too. Here you can do like you can do integrations with email sequences. So I don't think it's within ClickFunnels. It's like with MailChimp or HubSpot, stuff like that. And then if you are shipping a physical product, you will need to do this as well. Hook it up with a shipping station. And then just your order summary is right here, guys. But the only things you need to do for a simple online product are choose one-time payment, and then, or, you know, if it's a subscription, choose subscription. And let's run through that real quick. If it is a subscription, so to speak, I'm going to click subscription, save and next. This one will be a little different. The only difference is that you need to put your product in. You need to put the price display right here. And then you will need to have made the subscription within like Stripe. So like these are all of our subscriptions in Stripe. So you'll need to come in here and click which subscription plan you're using. And that's all you would need to do if it was a subscription. And then if it has like trial days, like 14 free days, you can put like 14 days, and this will override whatever is in Stripe, as you can see right there. And then lastly, you cannot do this with a subscription product. But if you were trying to do an order bump, so let's go back and say we're doing a one-time offer, save and next. If you were doing an order bump, all you would have to do is come click this right here. And that's it, guys. You just hit save and close, and that is all you have to do to create your products. So I hope this was super helpful. Just a quick little video on this, guys. We have something super exciting coming up next week that's going to help everyone with their funnel builds, their launches, just keeping things updated and taking away that technical stress that you could sometimes have. So keep looking in the comments for what's coming up, as well as subscribe, and I can't wait to talk to you guys next time. Bye.